Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USD into pesos on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got paid in US dollars, but you can't transfer it to your bank because you need it to be in pesos. How do you actually go ahead and convert that currency? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your PayPal account, click on the drop-down menu where it says Manage Money, and then click on View Money page. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see a list of your currencies. Next to where it says US dollar, click on Convert Currency, and then from here, change the to currency to pesos. So we have Mexican pesos right over here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert your USD into pesos. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.